Hey guys, Matt, IronTrap Garage. Today we are going to one of my favorite little shows. This show is only a few miles from Eastwood, where I work during the day, and maybe 15 minutes from my house. It is down some windy back roads. It's at a little old church on a Wednesday, and it goes from 9 a.m. till like 2. I usually drop in for lunch real quick and hang out, but it's just all antiques, old stuff. You never know what's going to show up. It's a lot different than the local cruise-ins and shows because they've been having it for quite a while and a lot of guys put it on. A couple of guys have run an auction company called Cabin Fever Auctions here locally. They kind of promote and put it on, and it's called Ted's Auto Picnic. Really fun. We're going to jump in the cars, head over there, and hang out for the day. So let's go on. Joe.
How was the ride over, Matt?
Great. It's fun. Back roads, ripping around. Got a little highway drive and just took back roads. Fun little trip, and here we are. Would never know you drive down a back road and now you're surrounded by cool cars and a lot of people that apparently don't work or are retired on a Wednesday. We're one of the few that are younger here.
Let's take a walk.
a 1919 735 Stanley steamer. Came from St. Louis. It's kind of neat because it's not even on the register of these cars. A friend of mine runs the register. There's about 600 of these cars known, and he kind of keeps track of owners and where they're at. And this car wasn't on the register, so it was kind of a pretty neat barn find. It's very original. There's one little gauge, and it had a water glass under the hood that was added, but everything else is pretty much as it left the factory, which is sort of odd for these cars because they got messed with over the years. But that's the neat thing here, coasting downhill. I mean, it's just quiet. We're just rolling along. Sharp pump water.
And you're running this off of kerosene, correct?
It's got a Coleman fuel pilot that burns constantly, and then it's got a kerosene main burner that comes on and off. Now, since we're a little questionable on water, I don't have the fire on. I'm just using up steam in the boiler.
Yeah.
You can hear that clunking in the floor now. So it appears to be pumping, but we got to get some water in it before we can fire it.
Yeah, so Jared has an Instagram, Spring City Steamworks, and a Facebook page as well.
I do, yeah.
I'll put them in the description below, so you guys can check out his steam shenanigans.
There'll be more of it.
Yes, this thing's pretty cool to ride in. It's interesting. It's cool that it's all original. Not much done or changed
Very
to
little
it.
mess with it.
Yeah. It's weird riding in a car that's 100 years old.
99.
We'll give it the extra year. Guys, so I hope you liked our look at Ted's Auto Picnic. It's a really cool event on a weekday, lunchtime. Matt and I ran over on his lunch break, checked out some of the cars, talked to some old friends, had a good time. Hope you guys like it. Let us know if you want to see more content like this. We go to car shows all the time, and there's always cool stuff going on in our area. So be sure to check out our Facebook page, IronTrap Garage. Check out Matt on Instagram, IronTrap, all one word. He's always getting into crazy stuff that we don't necessarily always film and show on YouTube, so be sure to check that out, and always be sure to subscribe. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll check you later.